how do you actually do inbound? Well, the best way to start is by understanding the inbound methodology. First, here's Mark Killens, VP of HubSpot Academy, on why the inbound methodology is so important.
The inbound methodology is going to help change your business, transform your business so it is more human, it is more helpful, and it's going to teach you the things that everyone at your business needs to do to provide more value and build real relationships and trust with everyone you're trying to do business with. Alignment is more important than ever these days. The inbound methodology is going to help you align your business so that everyone at the business understands your prospects and customers better, so they can deliver that real value and build real trust with the people you are here to serve. And at the end of the day, the inbound methodology is going to help everyone at your business and all of your customers grow better. It's going to help you grow better by providing a framework.
Okay, what does this inbound methodology look like? It illustrates the 4 stages that makes up an inbound business. It reflects the entire inbound marketing, sales, customer service, and relationship process. The stages are attract, convert, close, and delight. Starting at the beginning, on the left, you'll need to attract strangers, turning them into visitors. To appropriately attract the right visitors, you need to educate, help, and provide value. Part of this is creating useful and relevant content. Creating and having content that these strangers are looking for. Some of the most important tactics to attract new users are blogging, optimizing your website, paid ads, and social media. Once you've attracted new visitors, the next step is to convert those qualified visitors into leads by gathering their information. You can create visitors into leads by using a conversion process. A prospect will give you their information if they're getting something in return. And contact information is inbound's currency. Once you have more contacts, you can better market or sell and service these individuals. Keeping track of the leads you're converting in a centralized database is key to operating an inbound business. Having all your data in one place helps you make sense of every interaction you've had with your contacts, be it through email, a landing page, social media, or conversations. This powerful insight is for your entire organization. This helps you optimize your future interactions to more effectively attract, convert, close, and delight your customers. And moving along, now that you've attracted the right visitors and converted the right leads, it's time to transform those leads into customers. It's about starting a relationship and being an advisor. The close stage incorporates all tactics required to turn a lead into a customer. This may include better qualifying the lead using marketing automation, reports, and emails, or customer relationship management software, also known as a CRM. And it's not just for selling and closing. Think of a CRM as your opportunity to manage relationships before, during, and after a sales cycle. Connect directly with your leads when they're actively engaging with your website. Route chat conversations to the right salesperson to build better relationships and close more deals. Every company's sales process is unique, and the steps in the process are defined by the company's product, customer base, sales cycle, and various other factors. But an inbound sales strategy can be applied to every salesperson at every company because an inbound sales strategy focuses on providing a personalized experience based on the buyer's context. Sales can use tools like email templates or sales automation to help with time-consuming tasks and reporting on what was most successful and helpful when closing a customer. Closing a customer is just the beginning of a relationship, not the end of a sales cycle. An inbound business will continue to delight and engage their customer base, turning them into promoters of their products or services. Customer happiness impacts your business's growth. The delight stage incorporates all tactics required to retain a customer and turn them into a promoter. This may include little delight pieces, as well as resale motions to upsell and cross-sell. Create a knowledge base for customer education, and use a tool to consistently collect customer feedback. If you want to truly understand your customers, their growing and changing needs, you need their feedback and need to take action on their feedback. Feedback gives you a pulse on customer happiness and a roadmap for how to improve it. If you're used to thinking about the traditional funnel, The funnel always stopped at the bottom of the funnel. That funnel is broken. It doesn't stop at the bottom of the funnel. It's a loop, like you see here with the inbound methodology. If your customers are delighted, they will tell people. It's your customers that turn promoters, who are the biggest driver for growth of your business. To really be a great company today, you not only need a great product, that's table stakes, you need a fabulous go-to-market approach today. You need a platform that helps you build one of those gorgeous go-to-market experiences so you can tie all of the different inbound methodology tactics together in a holistic way. Landing a customer is difficult and requires a specific setup of attract, convert, and close efforts. But to expand the wallet share of your customers, you need to make your customers successful. What's best is when all of these teams work together. When you forget about the internal structure and focus on the customer experience and the inbound methodology, where each effort feeds the next. The inbound customer journey comes full circle, and by delighting your customers, you're attracting new ones. And that is why inbound is changing the way the world does business.